Marcela, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we're going to do one of my favorite hairstyles, and it is a hair bow. I'm going to show you 3 different ways of doing it,
so you can choose which one you like best and which one you find easier.
Yes, let's start. Okay guys, for the first option we're going to comb the hair, and we're going to do half ponytail holding the hair with an elastic band. I usually use 2 elastic bands. In this way the ponytail will be firm during the whole day. Next, we will need a topsy tail. I have this one, and we're going to pass it underneath the elastic. I'm going to pull it a little bit to the other side, and next we're going to pick up a tiny piece of hair from one of the sides. I'm going to pass the strand through the loop. This is my first half of the bow, so I'm going to hold the hair and pull the topsy tail to the other side. Again, we're going to pass the topsy tail underneath the elastic, pick up a tiny strand of hair from the other side, and I'm going to pass it through the loop. I'm going to hold the hair and now pull the topsy tail to the other side. I'm going to fix the hair because we want both of the sides looking even. And to finish this bow, we're going to pass the topsy tail again underneath the elastic, pick up a piece of hair from the ponytail, pass it through the topsy tail, and now pull it to the other side. I'm going to pull the hair a little bit back in this way, so the elastic will be totally covered. To finish, I'm going to apply some hairspray and fix the flyaways. And this is the result for the first option. I've never done a bow like this before, and I absolutely loved it. For the second option, we're going to grab a bunch of hair from the top of the head, and in here we're going to hold it into a ponytail. I'm using 2 elastics as well. We will need the topsy tail as well, so I'm going to pass it through the ponytail, pull it a little bit. Now pick up a piece of hair, comb it, and we're going to pass it through the loop. Hold the strand of hair, and in here you can see I'm helping with my fingers. Pull the topsy tail to the other side, and we need to leave a space so my finger can pass through it. Next, we're going to grab a piece of hair from one of the sides. I'm going to comb this section very well, and using an elastic, I'm going to hold it into a ponytail. We're going to wrap this section several times. And when you're feeling the elastic is pretty tight, we're going to pass the hair, but not completely. So this will be the first half of the bow. For the other side, we're going to do the same thing. Using an elastic, we're going to wrap this section several times. And when you feel the elastic is tight, we're going to pass the hair just like that, and we're going to fix it so this side will be the same size of the other one. Now in here we can use a bobby pin. It's like this one, a little bigger than a usual bobby pin. or we can use a piece of ribbon like this. With the first section of hair, we're going to pass the ribbon through the loop. Now join the ends and pass it through the first loop that we did. Now very carefully pull the hair to the other side. And with the left section, I'm going to do it with the bump pin. As you can see, it is so easy. All we have to do is passing the bump pin through the loop and pull the hair to the other side. Now we can hold the bow, so I'm going to pin it in place using a bobby pin from the bottom and from the top. And I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. To finish, I'm going to apply some hairspray and fix the flyaways. And here we have our second option. I think this is my favorite because it is so easy to do and the bow is always perfect. For the last option, we're going to hold the hair into half ponytail again. Now we're going to grab a piece of hair from the ponytail and we're going to wrap it several times using an elastic band. When you feel the elastic is pretty tight, we're going to pass the hair, but not completely, just like this, and pull the hair a little bit. This will be the size of the bow. Now take a second elastic, wrap the first section just once, and now we're going to wrap the remaining hair several times again. Okay, in here I'm going to pull the hair just a little and I'm going to fix this section so it will be even with the other side. Now we can hold the bow. I'm going to use bobby pins from the top, open the bow a little bit, and another one from the bottom. We're going to do the same thing on this side. Now, using the topsy tail, I'm going to pass it through the ponytail. And next, we're going to pick up a small piece of hair from the ponytail as well. Pass it through the loop. And now pull the topsy tail to the other side. In this way we will have all the elastics covered. And to finish, I'm going to hold the remaining hair with a bobby pin to hide the end. To finish, spray the hair and fix the flyaways. Okay guys, this is all for today. I really hope you liked this video. If so, give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you on the next video. Bye!
Bye!